Right, diwedd y dydd. Mae'n bron yn gwarter i 4. Diwrnod da iawn fan hyn. Y gegin, units top i gyd mas. Mae hwnna oed ar ôl na. Gwaelod mas. Yr hen le tân. Hood y popeth mas ma. Digon o bren ma. Grumpy, you'll be happy. That wood will be coming your way. Taking the doors off there, but that has opened up quite a considerable amount of space really in the kitchen. So the girls with the shiny beads are still there, but it's it's quite a bigger space when you see it without nothing in it. Polystyrene tiles, I love them. So brilliant. Twins have been fantastic. Just sat playing. Maggie's up here with me now. Twins are gone with mummy. A dyna ni, boys. Y gegin. Un diwrnod bach arall nawr a bydd y stafell mae gyd yn wag. Ond y newyddion da yw bod y defaid still yma. Gon nhw. Hwrdd! Sbar y hwrdd na. Daisy, beth yw'n meddwl o'na? Fain roed i am o'na. £20, £20, £20, £20. Going once, going twice. Salt! 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 Dyna ni. Champion, top day at the office, the kitchen, and the gig in. Chi'n gwybod beth fi'n meddwl? Hey!